Seeking to enhance your fitness, monitor your steps, or find extra motivation for a more active lifestyle? Our extensively tested top fitness trackers are designed to assist you in achieving fitness goals, improving sleep, and maintaining overall well-being, all conveniently from your wrist. These devices not only track your progress, but also provide valuable insights and guidance for potential adjustments. As dedicated wearables for exercise, fitness trackers go beyond merely counting steps. They measure heart rate, assess blood oxygen levels, accompany you during swimming sessions, and send reminders for movement. Some advanced models, like the Fitbit Charge 6, Fitbit Sense 2, and Garmin Forerunner 265, offer additional functionalities such as making payments, playing music, responding to texts, and more. However, given the multitude of options available, selecting the most suitable fitness tracker or smartwatch can be a challenging task. We rigorously tested leading models through activities like running, biking, swimming, and even monitoring sleep to distinguish those that excelled from those that couldn't meet our standards. For a comprehensive overview, here's our roundup of the best fitness trackers on the market. All product links are in the description below. 1. Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 is recognized as one of the best fitness tracker with body composition analysis. Available in two sizes, 44mm and 40mm, it boasts a vibrant Super AMOLED display, ensuring an enhanced visual experience. With a commendable battery life of up to 40 hours, users can enjoy extended usage between charges. The watch incorporates GPS functionality for precise location tracking during outdoor activities. Its comprehensive sleep tracking capabilities cover sleep time, sleep cycle, awake time, and data on physical and mental recovery, providing a holistic understanding of sleep quality. Designed to be swim-proof, the watch is water-resistant, ensuring durability during aquatic activities. The inclusion of a heart rate monitor adds a health monitoring dimension, allowing users to track their heart rate throughout the day. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 is the first major smartwatch incorporating body composition analysis, providing valuable insights into overall health. Its slim design contributes to the watch's aesthetic appeal, offering a sleek and modern look. The bright watch face ensures visibility and readability in various lighting conditions. However, ongoing testing suggests that some features are still in the evaluation phase, potentially impacting the overall user experience. 2. Garmin Venu 2 Plus. The Garmin Venu 2 Plus is the best Garmin smartwatch currently available in size of 43mm, a rated battery life of 9 days. GPS functionality up to 8 hours with GPS usage, sleep tracking, and swim-proof design with a heart rate monitor. The Garmin Venu 2 Plus has significantly enhanced the already stellar fitness tracking capabilities of its predecessor, the Venu 2. The latest iteration introduces voice assistance and on-voice calls, aligning itself with key competitors in the market. With 25 different workout modes and comprehensive run tracking features, the Venu 2 Plus distinguishes itself by allowing users to store up to 650 songs on the watch, make and answer calls directly from the wrist, and interact with virtual assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. The Garmin Venu 2 Plus include a stunning AMOLED display, reliable fitness tracking with Garmin Coach, better than expected call quality, and a fantastic battery life. However, potential drawbacks to keep in mind are that the recovery advice could be improved, and there may be a perceived lack of third-party apps. While priced at $449, the Garmin Venu 2 Plus may not be the most budget-friendly option. But for those seeking a connected smartwatch with robust workout tracking capabilities synonymous with Garmin's reputation, it proves to be a worthwhile investment. 3. Garmin Forerunner 265. The Garmin Forerunner 265 is the best fitness tracker for runners. Garmin, known for producing top-notch sports watches, has created a standout device in the Forerunner 265. The mid-range running watch features a bright and easily visible AMOLED screen, even in direct sunlight. During testing, its lightness and user-friendly design stood out, making it suitable for use while running. Notably, the Forerunner 265 introduces triathlon and multisport modes, enabling users to track various training activities in a single session. Available in two sizes, 42mm and 46mm, the Forerunner 265 provides options to cater to different preferences. Like other high-end Garmin devices, the Forerunner 265 supports the download of Garmin's training plans, aiding users in running and racing more intelligently. Premium features such as the morning report and training readiness score contribute to a better understanding of overall health. For those on a budget, the Garmin Forerunner 255 is a viable alternative, offering similar functionality with some differences in screen technology. For a detailed comparison, the Garmin Forerunner 255 versus Forerunner 265 face-off provides valuable insights. The Garmin Forerunner 265 best features include its availability in two sizes, a bright and beautiful AMOLED screen, accurate GPS functionality, and advanced training metrics. The Forerunner 265 has 30-plus built-in activity profiles include running, triathlons, cycling, open water swimming, and more. Using indicators such as HRV status, recent exercise history, and performance, get insight into overall effort with training status, and know whether you're training productively, peaking, or straying. However, potential drawbacks include a higher price compared to the Forerunner 255 and a relatively limited set of smartwatch features. 4. Fitbit Sense 2. The Fitbit Sense 2 is a top-tier smartwatch. It surpasses the Versa line with more advanced health and wellness features. Through testing, it has proven to provide a better overall view of users' health. The upgraded design, interface, and SETA sensor enhance the smartwatch's holistic functionality. The continuous ETA sensor monitors stress levels and heightened responses throughout the day, offering prompts for mood monitoring with body response notifications. The Fitbit Sense 2 caters to both iOS and Android users, offering onboard GPS, a native app store, and integration with Alexa. With these capabilities, Fitbit has evolved beyond a brand solely focused on step tracking, and devices like the Fitbit Sense 2 now serve as excellent smartwatches. Reasons to consider the Fitbit Sense 2 include its attractive design, long battery life, comprehensive fitness and health features, and proactive stress management with the continuous electrodermal activity sensor. Designed for all-day wear with on-wrist Bluetooth calls, texts, and phone notification. It also has a customizable clock faces and other apps like Fitbit Pay, Amazon Alexa built-in, Google Wallet, and Maps with Google Maps on Android only. The tracker includes a 6-month premium membership complete with personalized insights, advanced analytics, and more. However, it lacks support for some third-party apps, which is a huge letdown for many users. 5. Fitbit Charge 6. The Fitbit Charge 6 is the best fitness tracker overall with the following specification: a heart rate monitor, GPS functionality, 50 meters of water resistant, a 0.86 by 0.58 inch AMOLED touchscreen display, mobile payment support, swim tracking capability, and a battery life of 7 days or 5 hours with GPS usage. Additionally, it features an ECG monitor for enhanced health monitoring. Functioning as a reliable fitness tracker, the Charge 6 excels in accurately tracking activities with built-in GPS for outdoor runs, hikes, and bike rides. It offers an expanded range of sports modes compared to its predecessor. The device impresses with its comfort around the wrist and readability in bright sunlight. With these enhancements over the Fitbit Charge 5, especially the reintroduction of the side button and the integration of Google Apps, the Fitbit Charge 6 is deemed one of the top choices in the fitness tracker market. It's the first Fitbit fitness tracker to incorporate Google Maps, YouTube Music, and Google Wallet, requiring users to have a Google account. Reasons to consider the Fitbit Charge 6 include its integration with Google Apps, the ability to stream heart rate data to fitness equipment from Peloton, Nordic Track, and Tonal, a more accurate heart rate sensor, and the return of the side button for easier navigation. Other notable benefits include 7 days of battery and water resistant up to 50 meters, nightly sleep score, on-wrist mindfulness session, smart wake alarm, sleep and do not disturb modes. It comes with a 6-month premium membership for deeper insights and guidance, exclusive workouts, mindfulness sessions, and more. However, it lacks compatibility with Spotify, and there are still limitations in certain sports modes. Check out the links below for product prices,